When the night tries to steal my sight and fear whispers I won't make it through, I hear your voice break in the dark. Your hand calls me, teaching me to trust you.
In the deep valley where pain wants to stay, you are the light that won't let me fall. Even wounded, you come lift me up. In your arms I learn to smile again.
You know every step I take, you see where the ground may give way. Even when I can't see, my God, your love still leads me on my way.
You make me free like a bird in the sky, breaking chains, learning how to dream. The enemy falls, can't reach my life, for your presence is guarding me.
You are love, you are salvation, strength that holds my heart in place. With you I walk, unafraid of tomorrow. I am yours, held in your grace.
In battles no one else can see, you fight for me in silent power. When my strength keeps fading away, your grace teaches me to rest in hours.
You turn my tears into songs of praise, ashes to life, wounds into bloom. You are my refuge, my faithful shelter, my path on earth, my heaven sent.
When the wind blows hard against me, I remember you are my stay. When pain says this is the end, your promises just for a day.
In you, Lord, I am made strong, for your word will not return in vain. In every fight, I find your love renewing me again and again. You make me free like a bird in the sky. Above the storms, I rise and soar. The enemy flees at the sound of your name. Where you are, I won't fall anymore.
You are love, you are peace, you are my guide, eternal rock of my heart and soul. With you I walk, firm in faith, my God, my guide. You are who you are. And if one day I grow weary of the road, if my wings feel heavy to fly, remind me, Father, of your endless love that teaches me
To rise higher in you, my Lord.